So that what we can follow that footsteps of our fathers, and that we can go ahead. So all these things somewhere very very lovable to us. We love them, we somewhere we respect them. So because it is rich with the blood of our ancestor, as I explained you, and our bare feet are somewhere conscious with the sympathetic touch. When that barefoot, that is why we are tribal and we had that barefoot, because when that footstep, when it is touched, it is touched with our foot. Okay, it gives what? It gives us sympathetic touch. So that is why we can feel it. Clear? Now just on the next page number 46. Then again he says, our departed braves, fond mothers, glad, happy hearted maidens, and even be little children who live here are rejoiced here for a brief season. Means every season, not only I but all people, like my braves who departed us, our fond mothers who glad, happy hearted maidens, and even the little children who had been somewhere died in their early age. They all lived here and they rejoiced. What they rejoiced is all the things. They rejoiced all that beautiful place, that nature and all what I explained here. For a brief season, we love this somber solitudes, and even tried the great shadow returning spirit, and their spirit that they just return. They visit all these things. Why? Because the love, the connection is there with them to their land. So we cannot leave our land, as I'm explaining such much way. Clear? And when the last red man shall have perished, he's talking about that last man, that ending time when in the last man will die, and the memory of the memory of my tribe shall have become a myth among the white men. These shores will songs with the invisible dead of my tribe. Okay, when your children think themselves alone in the field, what you are thinking, oh white settlers, that when we are going to overcome with we all will going to finish. That if the last one will die, then after his spirit will come. His spirit will come to wander all the things, to love all the things. We all will come. Our great spirit. He says that, see that shadow returning spirit, they will come to visit our land. If your children think that they are alone, they are the master of this land and they are alone here, no red Indians are there, that will be a false idea by them. He said the stores, the shops upon the highway, or in the silence of pathless wood, they will not be alone. If they are thinking that they are alone in the stores, if they are doing market, they are alone on the shop, they are alone upon the highway, they are thinking that they are alone in that silence of that pathless wood, they will think wrong. Because the spirit of our people will be there in our native land. So we cannot make through to us from our native land. So how much forecasting he is saying, and then saying showing them the future, that the end is nishchit, that the end is certain. Okay, that will come. Okay, then at night when the street of your cities and village are silent, you think them deserted, you think that they are all alone at night. They will come at night. They will throng with the returning host. Returning host means now that time they will think that they are the host. The host means the host means the spirit or the soul of that red Indians. Okay, that once filled them still love this beautiful land. They will come to love, to give reverence for their beautiful land. The white man will never be alone. He is now saying that do not think that we leave this land and you will alone the honor of this this beautiful land. Even after death, we will come, we will visit this as our ancestors always do. Now see the last one. Let him be just and deal kindly with my people, for the dead are not powerless. Dead, did I say? There is no death, only a change of world. So that is why you go and say to your George Washington. That hymn is used for George Washington. So he said that go and say to your God, to your master, what? Try to be honest, as he is honest to you, means to his people, he should be honest to my people as well. He should have to deal kindly with my people. He should be honest with both the people. That for death are not, don't think that if people are died, if we are died, that death is not powerful. Very great speech is given by him, that death is not powerless. What is the meaning of dead? Dead, did I say that there is no death? For dead, I can say that there is no death. What is the way? It is only changing world. Person dead from this world and then goes from another world. So that death, it is not powerless. So don't think that if we will die, we will become a powerless and that land will completely belongs to you. So that was all explanation of this chapter. I just tried to give my easiest way of explanation.